Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us know more about your favorite snack popcorn and see the amount of carbs present in it. Let us begin. Popcorn contains 74 grams of carbs per 100 grams of corn kernels. It is a low-calorie snack and people mistook it as a low-carb food, but the fact is that most of the calories come from the carbohydrates in popcorn. Corn is a whole grain and hence rich in carbs, but it is not wrong at all to include carb-rich foods in your diet. You may eat a few handfuls of popcorn, but the portion control is necessary and also minimizing the amount of oil, butter and salt added into it. Now let us see how popcorn may be good as a low-carb diet. When you are following a low-carb diet, you may enjoy a serving of popcorn as a moderately low-carb diet that includes 100 to 150 grams of carbs per day. Moreover, the fiber present in the popcorn will keep you full for longer, thus prevent you from overeating empty calories in cakes and cookies. If you are consuming popcorn in a particular day, you need to lower the amount of foods that are rich in carbohydrates for that day. Popcorn has little protein and few vitamins and minerals and may not be a wise choice to include it as a regular snack as you are on a low-carb diet. Instead, eat occasionally. It is good to pop the corn kernels at home, thus you may lower the amount of carbs in popcorn by including less amount of fat, calories and sodium. Now let us see how to prepare a simple lemon cinnamon flavored popcorn. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, half cup dry popcorn kernels, half teaspoon lemon zest, half teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now note down the method please. Firstly, heat coconut oil in a heavy bottom pan or a pressure cooker. Then add 2 to 3 corn kernels and cover with the lid. As it starts popping, pour about half cup of corn kernels into the pan and cover with the lid. After every 30 seconds, pick up the pan and shake the popcorn kernels. Once you hear that the kernels are not popping, remove from the heat and remove the lid. Add lemon zest and cinnamon powder and toss well. Sprinkle salt per taste and toss well again. Lemon cinnamon flavored popcorn is ready to eat. It concludes that popcorn contains carbs, but it is not wrong to include it in a low-carb diet, as 1/5 of the carbs are fiber, which is good for your health. Remember to cook it at home with less fat and make it a healthy snack for everyone. Thank you.